Social bubbles have been introduced in countries such as New Zealand and Germany. It means an expansion from what is essentially the members of your household to a wider group of a total of, in this case, 12 people. These will have to be the same 12 people. That is to say, you can't have a gathering of 12 people one day and a different set of 12 people the next. This is what is expected to be included in the legislation published tomorrow, as the government moves from a policy of restriction of freedom of movement to a restriction of freedom of association. The Unlock the Rock document listed the date for gatherings of 12 people as last Monday. However, the law will not be in place until Friday, when the legislation takes effect. In answer to GBC questions on this discrepancy, the government said the document published on the 12th of May was intended for guidance. Based on this guidance, people may have already been meeting this week. When the legislation is published tomorrow, people might question whether they are now compelled to include those they've met this week in their bubble going forward. The public health advice is still that staying at home is the best way to stay safe. This includes, of course, over 70s, who will be able to meet with people of all ages under the new regulation, as the government confirmed in response to GBC questions. However, the government says it's not advisable for over 70s to socialise. The Golden Hour facility will continue. Today's government COVID statistics show an increase of 2 confirmed cases over the past 24 hours, rising from 147 to 149. The number of active cases has now doubled from 2 to 4. It's the first increase in cases since the 10th of May, over a week ago. There are 45 people currently in self-isolation.